This is called a spile.
It's like the was a bullet.
It looks a little bit like the bullet. This is what gets hammered, tapped into the tree,
Yeah.
and you can remember its name because spiles sounds like smile. When you eat maple syrup, you smile, right? The sugar bush is the name of a place where lots of sugar maple trees grow together. So that's what we're heading. How do I know that this is a sugar maple tree? Yes.
It has a blue bag on it.
You know what? Everyone says that, and that's my favorite answer. You are right. But what if there is no blue bag? Well, there's some ways it tells me it's a sugar maple. So there's two things that you need to look for. And this is one of them. What am I touching?
Bark.
Okay. Drop a sap and taste it and then go back on the path. Okay. Next.
Must be 5%
Okay. Next. That's cooperating. It's warm enough today.
Good.
Good. Okay. The second one, the one that was a little watery, and I think more flavorful, was the maple syrup.
The second?
The second one.
What?